Still the continuation of theorem of Pythagoras. So now we are given the triangle ABC. It's a right angle triangle. Theorem of Pythagoras because it is a right angle triangle. And then more our triangle ABC, but refill this length here AC or 3 centimeters. Note to length here AC this side, and then BC it's 4 centimeters, and then AB it's A. This is A again, not 9. This is A. So the question was resolve the length A. Solve A. So okay, it is a side on a triangle, and it's not just any triangle, it's a right angle triangle. And if we're side on a right angle triangle, our best friend theorem of Pythagoras. So this is r squared equal to x squared plus y squared. Some teachers don't like using this formula, so now let me show you if your teacher prefers your the letters on this formula. We cannot this one because we're not yona. And then afterwards we are okay. Remember the first step we identify our hypotenuse. So which side is our hypotenuse? We are not sure. So our best friend, our 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, please show us our hypotenuse and then shoot at that side. What are that side? It is our hypotenuse. Before it will be A, you have to see okay, triangle by name or get triangle ABC. So hypotenuse ya rena ke le side le lefeng. Is it AC, BC or AB? Ke le side la AB. So now before we substitute the value, then re tlo bontsha our hypotenuse ke AB. Then you square it. Then equal to x. Remember you can either choose AC or BC, your choice. But na ke rata gore ge ke bya x ke substitute le side le goreng le horizontal nyana, and then go y ke bya le side le goreng le vertical. But either way, we'll look at the same answer, guys. So now I'm going to substitute BC here. And then don't forget to square it. Then plus, go y substitute AC. AC. Then don't forget the squared. Then now, now substitute the values. AB, I don't know it, but by which A, so I'm just gonna write A. Or maybe go AB never sabia selo. Then when you just write AB, because I agree you do not know what AB like an alokai. But now because barki A, then narik clovia A, then don't forget the squared. BC arna it's 4 centimeters. So I'm just gonna write 4. Then you square it plus AC arna it's 3. And I'm gonna square it. Then it's a clone over A squared over here, and then 4 squared it's 16. Then plus 3 squared, which is 9. 9. Then A squared equal to 16 plus 9, it's 25. Then I'm gonna square both sides because they're not gonna A, not A squared. I'm gonna square both sides, and then therefore A gonna 5. Now usually your teacher will tell you or any answer you the square root, it will be plus or a minus again. But what is important here, like at the length, right? Because we measure something until it's negative 4 centimeters. So you will never find a negative value on a ruler. Remember, we're using a ruler here to measure again. So that is why our answer will always be positive for as long as they're not gonna let the side jump, the side la triangle. So let's see, but it's in centimeters. So our final answer is 5 centimeters. Another thing, guide our answer is positive. Our hypotenuse will always be a positive number. So you must note that our hypotenuse will always be a positive number. But in this way, the length, they will our answers should always be positive. Now this one is another triangle, is ABC. So I'm going to use, obviously our question is resolve B. That is B. Let me write it out. Oops. That is B, guys. So I'm going to use the theorem. R squared equal to y squared plus y squared. Remember the first step, identify the hypotenuse. So which one is our hypotenuse? Mr. Right angle. Our hypotenuse is this length here over B. Here BC. So then I'm gonna say my hypotenuse is length here na BC. You can say BC or CB. Either way, you're still correct. And then x get over AB. And don't forget the squared. Then plus another space. Y it over AC. Then square it. right? And then BC aga, it's by no B, so I'm just gonna write B then squared equal to AB aga, it's 4 centimeters. Maybe we're now relay 5, doesn't matter, you're still gonna get the same answer. AC arna ke 5 then squared. Alright, and then moisali B squared equal to 4 squared, it's 16 plus 5 squared is 25. Then we're gonna have B squared equal to, we're having 16 plus 25, which is 41. Then we're gonna take the square root of 41, like, yeah, square root of both sides again. Then we have, therefore, B equal to, the root of 41 is the root of 41. I get avoid the decimal, because the root of 41 or the calculator would offer 6,4 something, but that is a very long decimal. So we avoid the decimal. Sometimes your teacher will tell you just write it as this, and then it over 41. Let's see the unit of measurement. Wabana here, is it 4 centimeters or millimeters or kilometer, whatever? So what are answer over units? Something that is very important. Now this one is an important question, guys. Please listen carefully. Renale a triangle ABC still like it. Then right on side. So let's just go right r squared equal to x squared plus y squared. So remember when I started this topic, really, this formula, this theorem will only work renale 90 renale a right angle triangle. Some people the right angle triangle by bona eliso, or this is a right angle triangle because of this symbol, guys. We call it a right angle triangle because it has a 90 degree. Just because you don't see this does not mean or this is not a right angle triangle. Just like this one, this triangle is a right angle triangle. I know that symbol, but to in a 90 degree. So someone may say, okay, then because I know that symbol, my hypotenuse. Well, if 90 degrees econing, that block, that box anyway. So like that block, it's just here. 90 degrees. So which one is your hypotenuse? Your hypotenuse is over here. You see, that's very simple. So this means our hypotenuse, remember, first step, identify the hypotenuse, rehumanike AC. So AC squared equal to, then I'm gonna put BC here, and then go y kavya AB. Then squared. Then AC arena, gaena abarbocha king, so I'm just gonna leave it as AC squared equal to BC arena, it's 20. So 20 squared, then plus AB arena, it's 10. Then squared, and then mostly it's AC squared equal to, then 20 squared is 400 plus 16 squared is what is 16 squared? 256. Yes, and then I'm just going to try to simplify things. AC squared equal to 400 plus 256, which is 656. Then now can I can AC, not AC squared, so I'm going to square root both sides. And then gabali AC equal to the square root of that answer, which is 4 root 41. It's a very long decimal, but then barely in millimeters, so just write millimeters. So ska cream or repellently in centimeters, they can change the unit of measurement. So that answer is in millimeters.